Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to insert table. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Inserting table or tables in Lucidchart is a simple process that offers several advantages, especially when you need to organize and present data or information clearly. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the documents that you want to insert table. If you haven't already, just go to the new button here on the upper left corner. You can start from a blank document or create from template. But in my case, I'm going to be opening this file. And for you to be able to insert tables, it's very easy. We have a separate video on how to add tables, but normally just go to the left side panel of your dashboard, go to shapes. You see the search bar, just type in table and press enter. You would see you can basically insert table from this tool. All right. If you click this, you can drag and drop all the tables that you wanted. For example, a smart table if you want. So these are going to be some of your options. You can simply drag and drop to insert table, and you can put in as many table as you want if you click the load more. So this is one of the options. All right. Routing table. There's a lot basically. Now the next option is I want you to hover to the left side again and go to the images. In this case, you can import an image from OneDrive or your computer. In my case, I am working with a specific table that I wanted to put here, which is this file. All right, so what I'm going to do is go to the file section and I'm going to download this as a PDF. All right, I'm going to export this one. Click on export. Now, as you can see, I am inserting a specific table. It takes a little while. Now I have inserted a table that I wanted here, especially for this video. I'm going to make it a bit bigger so you guys can see the inserted table that I have created in Gmail. Now, as you can see, you can organize your data clearly because tables help structure and present data in a neat, organized way, making it easier for viewers to digest information at a glance, especially for working with data that involves rows and columns such as schedules, pricing lists, or product specifications. Tables are an ideal way to present this information, especially when working with teams or if you're working with multiple freelancers. The table allows collaborators to quickly input or edit data, ensuring everyone has access to the most up-to-date information. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.